Yo, hope everyone's well and had a good trading week. It's Friday, it's 10:30, so basically that's the time when I'm looking to close for the week. I'm going to be showing you a couple trade setups. I'm using a different type of time frame. I've literally just started this week, just seeing if it's better than my other strategy. My other strategy is using the 4 hour, 1 hour, 5 minute, etc. But there could be like a trade setup like once or twice a week. And this one I'm just going to see if there's multiple per day. So today or yesterday was the first day that I started doing it, and I spotted one trade setup 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and it worked out. I did record that as well, so if you guys want to see that, I'll post that one as well. But these two, they were trade setups, wouldn't have got tagged in, but two of them worked out and they were quite clear, so I'm going to go through it right now. Just quickly, shout out to ICT, the Inner Circle Trader, for teaching all of these concepts. So what I'm doing is I'm using the 15-minute and the 5-minute for bias. Then I'm using the 1 minute and the 15, 10, 5 seconds for the entries. So the 1 minute would be used for an order block, and then I go inside that and I have to find the entry inside the order block. So the first one was here. Looking at all this price action here, we've seen PD raise, so this is sell side. You draw it from here. So these equal lows. Got taken here, right? Look to the left. What are these two candles here? Bullish order block. So bullish order block. Sell side. Going to the 5. These two candles here. Another bullish order block, so the 5 minute, so you get it even lower. Then look on the 15 again. So we've got sell side, bullish order block. This wick here, you get the midpoint. So the midpoint there, respected basically once and twice. So I'm just going to delete that. Delete that. Keep it neat. Where's the replay button here? So here. So this is what I was seeing. Okay, so we've seen sell side get taken. We've seen it bounce off the bullish order block. Look on the 5. What's this here? Okay, there's a BISI there. Alright, so just get the midpoint of that. It's respected there. So now I was just waiting for just a big push up. So just like confirmation that price wants to go up, sort of like this candle here. So I was being patient. There. Okay, so that candle there, that's just like a confirmation candle. That price has like just wants to go up higher now. So I'm seeing price trading like this. Where does price want to go to, right? So price either goes to liquidity or inefficiencies. This here is a buy side liquidity, okay? So people who sold this from here would have their stops above here, right? What is above there? This little inefficiency here. So from this area, from this high to here, this is imbalance, hasn't been filled, right? So price wants to run and book back to that. It's like a paintbrush. So this spot here needs more paint, so it needs to go up and reprice to it. Okay. So we draw from low here to the draw, which be there, and we're only buying inside the discount. So that's where the 1 minute comes in. 1 minute time frame. All right. These candle here is a bullish order block. So there, drops down. You can call that a bullish order block as well, but I'm just using sort of in the discount, the opposing candles to act as support basically. So draw that across, going into the 15-second time frame, which is, I know, very small time frame. and I'm looking for a setup, right? Even the 10 seconds. So what's this here? There's a low, there's a high, there's a lower low, and a higher high. So these two candles here is a bullish breaker. Draw that across. Draw that across. Have we been tapped into? Yes. So it's tapped into the 1 minute bullish order block. It's done. It's now had a breaker, and inside the breaker is a fair value gap, which is our entry. Sorry, entry here. Or you can enter at the high. So let's say this is our entry right here. Stops just below here. Okay, so I know it's crazy, but it's a 1 pip stop because we're on the 10-second time frame. Go on to the 1 minute to get the targets again. So this would be first partials would be here. So crazy enough, 2.8 pips would be your first partial. Second partial would be here, then here, here. Okay, so multiple targets, but final target would be up here, right? So let's go back on 10-second time frame. So we've been tapped into there. Partial has been taken once. I know it's a bit confusing now with the lines, but partial has been taken second. Stops easily move to break even. Third, fourth partials. Okay. And we also want to be looking to the left. I'll do it in another video, but you want to use these opposing PD rays as support. Say something like this here as an inversion. I know that's going to be way too confusing now. But like these two here as an inversion. But yeah, so let's just see how that played out. Did it go up all the way? It did. Tapped it pretty much to the T of where I wanted it to go. Of this SIBI here with the buy side. So I'm just going to remove it all now. So that SIBI there, buy side. Okay, so that was the first one. I forgot to mention as well that entry was in between the macro, so 10 to the hour, 10 past the hour. Okay, next was on the 15-minute time frame. It was a little bit, actually it's literally straight after. So we've seen this run up here. Okay, we've seen buy side get taken. All right, that's one reason why potentially price wants to pull lower. We've seen price run into the SIBI now. So it's SIBI here. Going to the 5. These two candles here is a bearish order block. That two candle there. I'm just going to go down to the first candle. Okay, so I want to see price potentially run back up into this, which it does. So we've seen price tap into this SIBI order block and it's taken buy side, right? I want to see rejection. I want to see price pull away from that. At the minute, I'm not looking to sell this yet. Let me just go one candle back. Select bar here. Okay. So now I've seen that big candle here in between the SIBI, okay, and this is the 5-minute order block. This SIBI still in play. You get the midpoint. It's rejected once, twice. Go into the 5. Go to the open at that price. 1, 2, 3. 3 rejections to the bearish order block. Okay, and this big candle here. Potentially want to see one more candle coming away from this 15-minute time frame. SIBI. There. Okay, so where does price want to go to? A lot of liquidity here. People think this is support. So it could be this low right here. That would be the draw. Okay, so you draw from the high down to the draw liquidity. You only want to sell in this discount or premium, sorry. So go into the 1 minute. is there a green candle here? However, price doesn't actually come back into this. It just leaves without me. So that's the draw liquidity I got right, but I just couldn't get into that trade. But the first one I did spot, and it allowed me to get into a trade. But there we go. So look at that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe. Got any questions, let me know. I'm definitely going to be posting more because I'm just really interested in how the second time frame is going to pan out. But at the minute, I'm not trading like this. I'm trading using the 4 hour, 1 hour. So a similar concept, but just a lot higher time frame. Hence why I only trade like once or twice a week. It is a lot more slower. This one I quite like because there's 2 trades today, 1 trade yesterday, both winners. But yeah, it's just going to be interesting to see. So definitely be posting a lot more videos about it. And yeah, shout out to ICT. Enjoy your weekend and be safe.